My name is Makayla Dixon.
I'm Cornelius, Heath.
And today we're going to be showing you how to make a crossover Ethernet cable. Alright, so first you're going to strip the wire. You're going to put it in here, clamp down, and spin it. Now that we have stripped both ends of our wire, we have to untwist the pairs
And get them in color-coded way.
Now we have our wires untwisted, we have to straighten them out. And since we have a Cat 6 cable, we have to
cut this at the middle.
Okay. Now that we have them straightened out in order, we're going to take and put them in the RJ45. We're going to turn it upwards. And then, I don't know, slide it through. Like this. You slide it on. Get it in there. Like that. Where's going in? Now that we have the
cords and color coded, now
and in the RJ45, we can crimp the cable. Alright, now we have our wire inside the crimper, and we're just gonna squeeze to crimp it.
perfect.
Yep. And this is our Ethernet cable. Now we're gonna test our Ethernet cables using our tester. We're just gonna put this one in here and then put that one in there. And we're gonna turn it on. And it works.
Perfect.
Hey, have a good day.